What is up, Hilljack Nation? Somewhere back there you can see Daisy under all that stuff that goes with the camper. Anyway, we are headed to the farm. Taking that stuff back up there from cleaning it all up, getting it washed after the 4th of July weekend I was up here. But, yeah, sorry about the wind. I didn't think about that when I started this. We're headed up here. I got some work I want to get done. Been talking about, you know, trying to get the tree line back along part of it where the where briars and weeds and stuff have taken over, so that we can make our four-wheeler path on the actual tree line and let the field edge where we've mowed grow back up. Anyway, I'll show you when I get there. But anyway, we got a couple of stops to make, and then we'll be up there doing our thing. Y'all come along, see what kind of trouble we get into. Old Daisy's ready to run. Good girl, Daisy. She don't like this lawnmower at all, but she'll run in front of it until I hit the blades, and then she'll be done. Anyway, we're going to head down here and figure out where I want to start working on this path that I was talking about, and then we'll hit it. Sorry if that's a little bouncy, guys, but anyway, we're getting ready to hit it. She don't like mowers. She stops. She don't have nothing to do with it. Show you here. I'm on the lawnmower, but been clearing this tree line I've been talking about. I showed you just a little bit of it. Came by here a while ago and I stripped the toe off the speed. Wish that had been rolling in, but all this used to be growed up in briars and weeds. I've just slowly been knocking it down, trying to get it so we can let some of this field grow back up and drive in there. I want to drive my golf cart up in the tree line and not out there on the field, but we had to take it where we could do that, get everything. You just keep going around here, you'll see This happens to be what I'm on, so. Yeah, not a bad hour of work. Clearing all this out right here. Really like what I did here. Might leave that big tree. I gotta take them other two little trees down. Put out this little area right here. We can let some of this field push back. I may go up through there and clear some more of that, but there's trees in the way, so I can't do it with the mower. That's what I've been trying to accomplish so far today. There's going to be more, I'm sure, but I thought I'd show you what I had done. Sorry about that noise. This is why we killed the food plot twice. Look at all that milo. Probably some chicory and clover in there too. We planted a mix. It's coming up good. Hopefully it rains this next few days like it's supposed to. Get all that up real good for the deer. Alright guys. There's the other one. Little field food plot. You can see the stand up there. Jason and I shot our turkeys out of. But anyway, whole food plot's looking pretty good. Definitely need some rain on them. But I'm happy with that. She's looking for a water hole down there and it's dry. She's down there. She normally runs in the water right there where she just went, and it's dried up. Luckily that one up at the front wasn't dry.
Case, I'm back with him.
Ha-ha! We got my partner in crime. Or as Dana likes to call him, my boyfriend. We've been up here doing some work today at the farm, and guys, the food plots are looking good, but damn it, we need some rain. And so far, only one of her water holes. She's got 4 water holes on this creek, and so far, only one of them's had water in it. And that one, I've only seen it dry one time in the whole time I've been coming to the farm. So I know for a fact, if this one's dry here, the next one, which is the last one, it's not going to have any in it either. And it didn't a couple weeks ago when I was here. But yeah, we need some rain, guys. We need some rain bad. Y'all know ain't no trip to the farm complete unless Daisy can get in the water hole, and that's the only wet one. She's got 4 of them down through here, and the other 3 are dry. So, and like I said earlier, this one I've only seen dry one time in my years coming up here to the farm since I moved back here 22 years ago. So, yeah. This one always has water in it. But there she is. Y'all wet? Y'all ready to go? You got your juices going? Okay, you can get in. You can get in. She was trying to determine if I was ready to go or not. All right, you ready? You ready? All right, let's go. All right, guys, we're wrapping this thing up. It's been one of them days. I'm dirty, Rick's dirty. We cleared a lot of tree line. I still got some more I got to do, but it's a lot of work. But I got everything mowed. Rick came up and helped me change my mower blades. Put a new whatever that thing is that shoots the grass out. Put a new chute on there, and then he had to fix my trailer light connector, my 4-pin and 7-pin connector. Nolan got a little anxious last time trying to be a good boy and help, and pulled the wire out, so he took care of that for me while I was finishing up mowing. And then we drove around, checked all the cameras, and put some corn out.
Went and ate lunch at the poorhouse.
They had a good menu today. I'm happy with it. They had a special menu today only, or this weekend only. The proceeds are going to Hancock County football team, and Rick and I both got the smash burger that they had on there, and it was really good. And we had fries, and he had chips.
Homemade chips.
Homemade chips, and I had a coconut pie, piece of coconut pie. So it was a good meal down there at the poorhouse. And yeah, it's just been one of them good days, and we're ready to head back west. So Rick's going to head to Kentucky. I'm going to head back home to my wife. And if y'all enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. And until next time, God bless y'all.